Hello everybody, welcome back y'all. I am camping and I need some help from y'all. If you know me very well, you know I love the Pioneer Woman stuff. Y'all don't mind my hair. We are camping and it's warm in here today. I've resisted turning on the air conditioner. Okay, so you know I love Pioneer Woman stuff. I have the teapot, I have the special pots and pans, and I have a cutting board and a knife and the scissors and all the stuff, right? The cups, the glasses. The kids get me that stuff for Christmas and my birthday and Mother's Day, and I love it. So for Christmas, they got me this. And I love it. I love the look of it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's a 20-piece set, y'all, but I need some help. Let me show you what's going on. So here we are. This is the 20-piece set. You get 10 containers, right? The little tiny small ones, good for a few berries or some dressing or something, right? And then a few of this size, leftovers, a sandwich or something, you know. And, you know, some really good size containers and, of course, the lids. So 20 pieces altogether. Y'all, I cannot get on like half of these. The bigger ones, really, I cannot get the lid to fit. Does anybody have this set and has figured out a trick to get these lids to fit down onto these containers? Like you get this side down and then this side pops up. And then you work it over and you get this side down and the other side pops up. I cannot do it. I've tried pushing from the center. Nothing happens. It's like the lid is too small. It does have a groove. It's supposed to fit down on top of there, not just sit on top. And yeah, I was spilling my leftovers the other night just trying to get the lid on. Please tell me you have a trick to get these lids to fit. Glory, it's so difficult and I can't do it. Okay, so I know they fit because watch this. Here's the little tiny one. Let me grab one of the lids for the tiny one. So that one, hear that? Snap, snap. So the lids go on the little ones. That lid works. Let me see. Let me grab another one of these. Grab this one and this one. So this is the square one. Let's see if I can get the lid on this one. Okay, it snapped on that side. Snapped on that side. Oh, maybe. See, it just doesn't look like it's down all the way. See how it's not? It's higher on this end, lower on that end. Like, can you heat these up and then reshape them or something? Oh, that does not look like it's on all the way. It should, oops, see, nope, I pushed it down and the other side popped up. Oh, please tell me you've gotten these containers and you have figured out a trick to get the lids more pliable and to fit easier and better than this. Oh, I would be so grateful. This one, I cannot get this one at all. My fingers are just not that strong to get this one to cooperate. I know I cannot be the only one suffering with this. It just should not be that difficult. See, I cannot get it. I'm not pretending or faking it. I really want to keep these. I don't want to take them back. I think they're so pretty. But there's got to be a better, easier way than this. I'm going to keep playing with it. I'm going to soak it in some water, some hot water or something, and see if that works. But if you have tips, I would really love to hear them. Look, there's Poppy. He's like, what are you doing? Do you see him like that? What are you doing? Say hi, Poppy. He's just chilling out up there. I would really appreciate it if you could help me out. Thank you so much. I want to keep these. I don't want to take them back. I'll see y'all really soon. Oh, I'll see you on Thursday. We're making the tulip block. Can't wait to see you. Bye.